Guys, I'm in a tram station right now. I'll be taking the tram towards what you call towards the Palm Jumeirah. From there, I'll switching over to the monorail. From monorail, I'll be taking monorail and towards the Palm Island. I'll be showing you guys the possible all the views from the monorail and Palm Jumeirah Island, so that you guys can enjoy it. So there's no one in the station, so I can scream, I can vlog, I can do anything over here. And yes, I'll show you the views, guys. Whatever possible, I'll show that. It's very sunny today, and that's it. So I'm waiting for the tram. Yeah, guys, so the tram, it took only 3 till Palm Jumeirah, it took only 3 dirhams. So I don't know how much it is for monorail. So I'm going to board the monorail right now. I'll show you everything. So not only that, I'll be explaining how much it costs for the monorail also. For metro, it, as you know, guys, it's only 3 dirhams, and as you increase the minimum, it's 3 dirhams. As you increase the distance, it becomes from Union Station to Dubai Mall, it's around 5 dirhams. So we came out of these things. You can see that beautiful view everywhere. How I'm going to board monorail right now. I don't know how much it costs. I'll tell you those things. From Union Station, if you take a red line for Dubai Mall, everything, airport, everything comes under the red line itself. Even the expo, all those things comes under the red line. Once you get into the red line, you can choose where you want to go. So I came to this car parking. Don't worry, it's written here. Just follow the directions as it is. So you end up. Tram station, I took the ticket. I'll go in the front. Okay, so I took the ticket. It's 35 dirhams, and it's a day pass. It's pretty much you can spend a whole day with this ticket. You can board, and you can get off from any place. So that will be really good. So I'm going to the front. Hopefully I'll get some views and I can take some videos from the front. That's why I'm standing in the front. I just deboarded the train at Palm Station, the last stop, and now I'm going to see the views from here. The Atlantic, the gateway for Atlantic is the last station. This is the final station, guys. This is Atlantic's Adventure Station. This is the final train terminates here. It took around 15 minutes from the station which you are boarded. So you can see here, you can go for adventure sports and all. You have this park, a resort, Atlantis one. So I'll be staying for some time over here. Then I'll head to Dubai Mall from here, guys. Yes, I'm just strolling over here. You can walk through the Palm Islands through this. You can see behind me. You can circumference of whole Palm Island, but today I cannot do it. I might have done it on other days. I would have loved it to do it on other days, Not but the least, no issues, but I had some issues with my knee, so I could not walk fast, or could not walk freely. So that's the reason I'm not doing it today. So nevertheless, so you can see that beautiful view of Atlantis. I just came to show you guys. It costs around 35 dirhams. This is how the Palm Atlantis it is. I think most of people are standing in front of it, taking lots of tons of photos, Instagramming photos, those things and all. And the sun is right away off there to give beautiful photographs, guys. Don't worry. Just 4 o'clock right now, sun is coming down, but he's still there giving you enough light to take a very good photo, guys. So this is how I came here to the Atlantis Palm. You can see that it's very beautiful. All over here, it's very beautiful. It's set up like a fairy tale village. The houses, the palm trees, everything is set up so well so that you can enjoy these views and everything. Saying bye bye to I could see that time that there were many people who are doing jet skiing. So much of water sports happening here, even the fishing boats. I can see that, and not the traditional fishing boat. Those who are want a hobby, you can see that this road also. If you come this path, walk path is also you can use it for if you come in the morning in winter time and all. Bring some snacks, water, juices and all, so you can spend a lot of time over here. You can walk through, you can skate through, you can do cycling, whatever you want you can do, guys. So I'm just, you can see there's one Lamborghini which is going, I don't know which model it is, but I think it's an aviator one. So anyhow, so I'm going to monorail station right now. From there I'll board the train. So after boarding the train, I will get down next stop. I'll see what I can show you guys from there. If I could show you something, I'll definitely do that. Okay. फिलहाल मैं अभी अलविदा कहता हूँ.